This video will show you how to use the Yealink RoomConnect for the Teams meeting room configuration. Yealink RoomConnect is a plugin that runs on your mini PC. It can automatically identify devices connected to the MVC system and provide camera management and other advanced settings. Before using the Yealink RoomConnect, you need to sign in to your MVC system as an administrator. Navigate to More, Settings, enter the administrator password, and the default administrator password is SFB. Select Windows Settings. Select Administrator from the bottom left corner. Enter the administrator password, and the default administrator password is SFB, and then sign in. Run the Yealink RoomConnect plugin. This section will show you how to use the Yealink RoomConnect to configure your camera. Select the desired camera. Navigate to Advanced. You can set the camera-related parameters on the page. For example, if you want to change the exposure mode of your camera, select Exposure. Select the desired exposure mode. Configure the corresponding value. Save the change. Also, you can select graphics to adjust the parameters of the camera graphics. Configure the corresponding value. Save the change. To display the high-quality video image, you can also adjust the white balance. If your camera is suspended from the ceiling, you can enable the hang-up mode, which makes the picture taken by the camera upside down. Also, you can set the camera pan direction as normal or reversed. The reversed mode means that the camera pan direction will be reversed. Tap or long tap the left arrow key, the camera pans to the right. Tap or long tap the right arrow key, the camera pans to the left. This section will show you how to view the specific information of each CPW90. Select Wireless Microphone to view the specific device information of each CPW90. This section will show you how to upgrade devices via Yealink RoomConnect. Yealink RoomConnect can automatically update all MVC devices and Yealink RoomConnect itself. Navigate to Settings, Update Settings on the home page. Enable Auto Update. Select the desired time to check for updates. Tap Confirm.